Now, anybody that is familiar with the music space in Nigeria, uh, yeah, definitely in Nigeria, and more especially in the Yoruba region and beyond, obviously, but the more especially most especially in the Yoruba region, would be familiar with the name K1 the Ultimate. He's a music legend, a maestro. He is, people look at him as like, okay, this guy is a performer, but then he is a really talented performer, someone that picked up the trade from when he was really, really young and has been doing it for over 50. Imagine doing a trade for over 50 years. Now he has other ventures, but then music, when you see him, that is what he personifies music. Now, this is not about K1 the Ultimate. Nah. It's about his kids. Now, he has a lot of kids, yes. Um, and while you expect, you know that, okay, some of them will probably take after their dad. Not all of them have. In fact, only a few have taken after K1 the Ultimate. But then most of them are outside entertainment. And then we have at least a couple, at least I don't know how many, that are into entertainment but are not directly doing music. And one of the children that is doing that is Dami Marshall, who is an entertainment lawyer and it actually manages the affairs of a lot of entertainers, including someone like Naira Mali. Now, she took to her Instagram live uh, and she showed that the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, even though she feels that, or she believes that she's not a singer, cannot sing. Yeah, I think one of the most important aspects about singing or performing is the emotions that you make the listeners, feel. And she did pass a lot of emotions, listening to her perform the songs. And then, yeah, she brought in a couple of exciting guests during the live. So just watch, enjoy, and, reminisce.
Alawaye, oh, Morini, Georgie, okay, consolidation. Which is consolidation? Baby me show color, Kajama Rocky. Baby me show color, Kajama Rocky. Kajama lugba ikwe o, lugba. Baba no go die unless to badarugo. Baba no go die unless to badarugo. Na je, I sit down for my house. Na je, I sit down for my house. Somebody call me and bring the paper, oh. Somebody call me and bring the paper, oh. They won't come confirm, na true say I die. They won't come confirm, na true say I die. Aye. And it's your money. Listen to my music and dance to my song. This is consolidation. Me consolidate, oh. Okay. Sempe, ẹ̀yin mama sempe. Ẹ̀yin bèbí súnmọ́ bí. Ọyìn máa pè yín kò tí kàn yín. Ọyìn máa pè yín kò tí kàn yín. Ẹ̀yin màmá sempe. You people have to pay me, oh. Mo ti entertain yín gan. I said, wọ́n yìí máa pè yín kò tí kàn yín. Obedient, wọ́n yìí máa pè yín kò tí kàn yín. This want to make them abuse me now. Obedient, wọ́n yìí máa pè yín kò tí kàn yín. Yes, I'm older than Femi. Thank you. Obedient, wọ́n máa bú mi nísìnyí. Ọ̀tá ṣe bí Basintin. Okay. Ilẹ̀kùn tọ́ta rẹ báwọn tì yó. Ìlú Canada ni wọ́n ti ṣí my honourable Bọ́lájí Saheed Oku Adúrótì. Ìlú Canada ni wọ́n ti ṣí. Ìlú Canada ni wọ́n ti ṣí. Oríndòwó orí dọ́là ló jẹ́ wá dúpẹ́. Oríndòwó orí dọ́là ló jẹ́ mọ́pẹ́ dá. Tíṣẹ́ bá ti lálùbáríkà, ijó ló yẹ kẹ́ ní ojú. Orin dówó, orin dọ́là ló jẹ́ mọ́pẹ́ dá. I don't know. Talaso. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ọmọ ẹni lè ṣe dí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká fi lẹ́kẹ̀ sí di ọmọ ẹlòmíì. Ayinde Wasiu mi tẹni. Yes, I'm older than Seki. I'm older than Seki. I'm older than Sultan. I'm older than Farouk. I'm older than Femi Marshall. I'm older than Isabella. I'm older than Angela Oluwa. I'm older than all of them. But me too, I have a lot of egbons. Like Big Seki is my egbon. Yomade is my egbon. Bode is my egbon. Mustafa is my egbon. Onibi is my egbon. Kemi is my egbon. Amina is my egbon. Bolaji is my egbon. Monsura is my egbon. Aziz is my egbon. So I have a lot of egbons too. But me too, I'm older than some people. So, like pe mi lomode now. New Yorker, yeah, I'm outside. You know what I mean? I've used like 10 sugars. No, I'm not older than Bode. Bode is my egbon. Okay. Wasila. Rest in peace. Olarunke Ashabi Wasila. Wasila is late. Rest in peace, my sis. Uncle me, Uncle Pasoma. Wasi. How are you, sis? Who is my favorite sibling? Bode and Faith. Bode and Faith. Bode for the boys. Yes, uncle, see you soon. Bode for the boys, Faith for the girls. I love them so much. Those are my guys. Very loyal, understanding. You're welcome. Femi is actually not my favorite, but Femi and I are from the same mom. But Femi is not my favorite. Even Femi Marshall cannot say he's my favorite because Femi is always fighting with me. But you see Bode, yeah, Faith is a Christian. You see Bode doesn't fight me. Bode is like me. We agree on the same things. We see things the same way. You understand? No, Femi is not my favorite, but we are from the same mom. Same mom, same dad. You get, so I don't have a choice. I'm stuck with Femi for life. Lord P, what did he say? Malo. Yes, so I can't. Is it not Fuji money that they used in sending us to school? So if I cannot sing Fuji. Thank you so much, Yomi. Thank you. Okoya 30, see, that's like the best. Hey, my dad really delivered though. He gave Ashwaju back to back in that Okoya 80. I really like it. Very legendary. Let me sing that song. Akanbi. Ota awani. Akanbi. Awani soja Akanbi Ashwaju. Beyo kan ba foju di o, iya ni ojoluwa o. On your mandate we shall stand. Thank you. No, that's the funny thing. No. You see all those them Femi, I'm their big sister. Oh. But because they look bigger than me, they don't respect me. See, let me tell you something today. I really like Alaji. Like, I'm Alaji's fan. Apart from the fact that I'm his daughter. Like, Alaji is somebody that I like. I like him. You get, you know how sometimes you can be indifferent about your parents. Like, I like Alaji. I'm Alaji's fan. Like, I believe the guy died. You understand? I'm his fan. He knows now. He knows I'm his fan. Yes. Alaji is a good person to me. Honestly. He's a good person to me. Woman Kwamile is a good person to me. He honors me in life, yeah. Even whenever I do some stuff and people expect that Alaji is going to abuse me in front of everybody, he will say that I'm his friend, that I should come. He will talk to me. He will talk to me. That Adam Lola, Bye. He's a good person. He doesn't disgrace me. He doesn't. He's my G. He's my person. Oman bomi lashiri gone. He covers me like he's Alaji. God bless that man. I can't wait to be very, very rich. So I'll buy him a private jet, buy him house in Banana Island, and do so much for him. Thank you. Anteki, wọ́n ti bí mi o. Mo ti sọ pé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ni. That's my sister. Mo ti sọ pé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ni. Someone said I look stubborn. Yes, Alaji is understanding, honestly. Alaji. They'll just go and... No, I don't sing. But Femi can sing. Sultan can sing. Farouk can sing. Musti can sing. Onibi can sing as well. But me, I cannot sing. Me, I can only lawyer and do real estate. Femi can sing, oh guys. Femi, that's my plan B. If I don't want to do lawyer work again, I'll just be Femi's manager. Femi get talent too. There was one time like this that we did nights with the Marshalls. Thank you. That's how Femi sang. I was Femi's manager. I packed all the money. I packed all Femi's money. Dami loves Naira Marley. Yes. Naira Marley. Yes, I'm Naira Marley's lawyer. So I have to love him. And he's a good person too. Naira is a good person, very religious, mature, keeps to himself, and very intelligent. If you wanna live strong and stay strong, ìlera lọ́rọ̀, what's it that? Ní ìmọ̀ràn ẹ̀. Ògùn ìbílẹ̀ afúnni ní wọ́n sọ, olóyún abíwẹ́rẹ́, láì ṣiṣẹ́ abẹ, ewé ń jẹ́, ògùn ń jẹ́ kábíyèsí o, má ṣe lògùn without doctor's prescription. Montenmo. Do you listen to any other Fuji? No, not at all. Then I listen to Wasiu's dad too, Uncle Pasuma. I listen to him. And I listen to KWAM1. Am I the firstborn? Yes, I'm the firstborn of my mom. Femi is the second. And Tofomi is the third. I should bring Femi on this live. Femi, please, let's do this. Femi, let's give them a more Wasiu performance today. Please, Femi, come. Femi, let me see. How do I add Femi? Let me see. Invite to join. Dami Marshall. Yes, Femi, let's do this, please.
All right, and then she brought on her brother, Dami Marshall, who was kind of stubborn about joining at first because he was declining the request. But then eventually joined.
Guys, that's my brother. Everyone say hello to Dami Marshall. Yo, so guys, that's my brother. Tell me, that's your prayer. So guys, that's Femi.
Hello, how are you people?
Yes, Femi is a graduate today. He's a senior legislative aide to the speaker, Femi Bajabiamila.
Biography, my little do I need you.
Femi, one guy is already saying that you are his in-law.
Who is his in-law?
My younger brother. I'm older than Femi. Femi, tell them that I'm your big sister.
She said she's my big sister.
She said, God, you don't respect me. You don't rate me. You don't rate me, this guy. You don't
first and foremost, 1 million meter.
Eh?
1 million meter.
Send account. Show line me.
Yeah, my phone. Bye.
Femi, just sing one song for them. Femi, you know I've been singing for them. Let them know.
You people are not even happy that I came on this live.
Femi, if you don't sing for them, how are we going to take over the Fuji Empire?
Which empire is that?
Femi, just sing one song for them, please. Let them know. Make them feel my artists, please.
Who be your artist? Who collects you as manager?
Femi, you know we've settled this thing with Daddy that I'm your manager.
Did they agree?
Daddy said, Mafi, I'm not like your manager.
Because me only go dele now.
About only my Dile. But who any ma fi wọ Gucci? Femi, just sing one song for them, please, please. Please.
If you want to live long and stay strong,
Femi, freestyle. No, freestyle ni kò ṣe fún wọn. Kò mention orúkọ mi àti orúkọ àwọn followers mi fún wọn ní shout out. Jọjọ.
Mi àtàwọn jọ. Kí ló kàn mi àtàwọn followers ẹ kí n tèmi àti.
Jọ na mo kàn fẹ́ tó mọ̀ ni. Femi, oh yeah, please, please, please. They are waiting for you.
Parí mo wáyé, Mọ̀mọ́dún Kábírù mi ọmọ arábá ń bí ọba orin. Àbúrò Dámilọ́lá Bàsíràtù mi Dámilọ́lá.
Barrister lawyer fún wọn.
Wá, jẹ́ n question kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ṣé ìwọ ni kọ́ ló fẹ́ ṣó fẹ́ kọrin ni àbú fẹ́ ṣe manager ìwọ ni fẹ́ ṣe ni méjì?
Méjèèjì ni mo fẹ́ ṣe. Ṣé mo bí kéèsì ṣe máa ń ṣe tó mo máa ṣe báyìí fàlàjì bẹ́mi náà ṣe máa ṣe fún ẹnìyẹn. Oh yeah, continue.
Dámilọ́lá. Dámilọ́lá.
Please, Femi, see my fans are please now. Jimmy is online. Jimmy, tell your guy to sing.
I don't understand this kind of setup, this kind time.
I beg, just give them now. See how they are begging.
Okay, so what do you want me to do for you now?
I just want to make you sing. Mention some of their names. Mention my name too. Make them.
I wanted to know their name.
Oh yeah, I'll be calling it for you. Can you see their names? I'll be calling their names for you. Oh yeah. Waki Jimmy Ginger, Waki Zia Sabari, Waki Shodi. Oh yeah, Macorin Law.
Tani Matuki Jani.
Waki. Oh yeah, guys, pop up or bring your names up so that. Oh yeah, Ki Fikayo.
You say pop up, bring your names up. Bring your names up, that what happened.
Oh yeah, Femi now. Oh yeah, Andrew.
So, yeah, why you say? The rest, Mako Boypo.
Oh yeah, go up.
Iná tán bá dálẹ̀ dẹ́gúnnugún ẹyẹ mi náà fi sùn kábí mo ti sọ tán bá gbẹ́ kò tó sílẹ̀ wọ́tẹ́ nílé lórí o fúnra wọn ni wọ́n sùn lé ọmọ Wasiu Ayinde gbogbo àṣebàjẹ́ ò ní gbàyè o Noella bèbí o òyìnbó mi o káàbọ̀ síbí o òyìnbó mi o ayálúwayé o Ayinde Wasiu Jimmy Ginger mi àwo tàyíndé ni o. Báńkì sódì mi, àwọ̀ Ayinde ni o. Ìyàwó Ayinde o, Ayinde Kábírù. Dámilọ́lá bọ́ fẹ́ o, ọkọ. Wọ́n fẹ́ o, ọkọ. Ọlọ́run ti ṣe iná. Ẹ ṣé. Àbúrò ẹ̀bẹ̀ mi, Ayinde mi o. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, Ayinde mi o. Àbúrò ẹ̀bẹ̀ mi, Ayinde mi.
Fuji in Paris, honorable justice in New York.
Come on, ṣé kí ni ẹ fún mi? Àbúrò ẹ̀bẹ̀, ṣé kí ni ẹ fún mi? Àbúrò dọ́là sálọ mọ́wọ́ o. Ayinde mi o. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Dípọ̀ o. Ayinde mi o. Ìyàn tèmi Ayinde o. Ayinde Kábírù. Ìyàn tèmi Ayinde Kábírù. Sùlásùlá o. Ayinde mi o. Sùlásùlá o. Ayinde mi o. Báńkì náírà Málì mi. Ayinde mi o. Ìyàwó Ayinde o. Ayinde Kábírù. Femi send us that. Dablola, you like say you go put your account.
No, my account. No go send my money to Femi o. No leave me o. Me, I'm not comfortable. No go leave me o. No reaching.
Fuck. Please. Can I now be going? You people can continue.
Be going. Thank you so much, Dami Marshall.
How do I leave this place now?
So you people, you see that's my plan B. If I don't want to do lawyer work again like this, me and Femi will just go and form our own band. Me, I'll be the manager, sir. I'll be the manager. Samuel, how far now, Sammy? What's good, my G? Okay. Oh, God. The cold was just too much. Wasi, oh yeah, now Wasi, will you sing Pasuma song for us? Wasi, Wasi, are you still online? Yes, Femi can actually sing. Femi can sing. Imole, my love. Thank you. Skin is skinny. So guys, oh yeah, Wasi now. Wasi, oh yeah, join my live request. Let's give them small Pasuma too. Oh yeah, hey, what's that your daddy's song that I like? Oh, hey, just so no, just so no, Shengbo. Wasi, come online now. Let's give them now, guys. So Miss Wasi is Alhaji Pasuma's daughter. Fuji family. My sis.
Damilola.
Today's topic is Fuji music. Oh yeah, give them.
Okay, people you follow me.
Well,
you know I don't know how to sing.
We have to represent our dad.
Tell me no more. You know, Femi knows how to sing at the family.
Oh, Riadura album to motivate more. Oh, I've given them like 10 tracks already. Motivate consolidation. Motivate vivid imagination.
Oh, you will have to combine. I don't know how to sing.
I like that just me now. Just give them one line at least. Just give them something. Everybody beg Wasi the way we were begging Femi. Wasi, your voice was the loudest when you wanted Femi to sing. I was saying, Femi.
Oh my God. Give me off a shibai.
Just go. Yeah. Amen. God bless us. Someone said sing MMM. You see, your daddy's fans are already online.
Hey,
it's good, Jared.
So you can't rep our dad.
I swear.
Yo.
See me, I'm
I actually know how to sing my dad's song. I can't sing. Like I don't have a nice voice to sing. Like I can actually sing his songs like very well.
I don't have a nice voice. So if they tell us to
like
this, they will chase us out from there.
you have Femi. I think.
Which of your siblings can sing? Which of your own siblings?
Like I have like 3 of my siblings that can sing. No, they cannot sing, but they do other stuff. Like they can drum, you know, like other stuff. Yeah, but not sing. Maybe Baraka can sing, but she doesn't. She doesn't like to sing.
Me, I can't even
sing
to save my life.
But one day, but we can do other stuff now. At least we're very confident. Like we're very entertaining. Like other stuff. You don't have to be a musician,
exactly.
You know. So good for us.
Not all of us will do music.
All of you that are abusing my sister, Dami, like people should better leave this live video. We don't have time more. I'm a babu.
I said they should leave us alone. No.
Yo, thank you guys for tuning in. Like, thank you for joining. No.
Thank you so much for joining, Wasi.
Bye, love. Have fun, baby.
My sis. Hi, boo. So, guys, you people have to pay me. Moti entertain Golini. Moti be a celebrity Neji wa fun Instagram live. You people have to pay me.
Now this brought back a lot of goosebumps, like from back in the day. Like it reminded me of a lot of good stuff, and I'm sure listening to those songs being performed by them actually reminded you as well, or brought back some good memories of the good old days when maybe you didn't have to face adulthood and you know, maybe you're still much younger, definitely much younger, and wow, this was a great watch. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like and to subscribe.